Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 useful tips for content creators, including batch video conversion and compression, AI video enhancement, like video editing, all and much more under one umbrella. Let's get it started. Here we have Wondershare UniConverter 16 with their amazing advanced features. This is the new user interface of UniConverter. If you click on More Tools, it will bring you different sections for your convenience. Section for video-related tools, audio, and images. Click on the plus button for quick access, and here you can add your favorite and frequently used tools. UniConverter is a multifunctional tool that lets you convert, enhance, compress files, and more all at once, provided your system can manage the workload. A brief video on product key points and highlights is uploaded on YouTube. Please check the link in the description. Let's move to the first tool, which is the converter. Sometimes we have video files that need to be converted to a different format in batches. For example, I want to convert several clips at once. You can select or drag the files here. I have 3 videos of different formats. In the converter tool, you can find a list of the current settings on the left side, and on the right side, what it's converting it to. If you want to convert all the clips with the same settings, go to the bottom of Converter tool, select the settings of your requirement. You can see when I select the setting from the bottom, it automatically changes in this section. If you want to change the settings for individual videos, click here. For high-speed conversion, make sure all the boxes are ticked. Click on Convert. And it works incredibly fast. Depending on your PC specifications and file sizes. Once it's completed, it will move to the finished section. And that's it. Let's jump to the second tool, which is a compressor. Most of the time, we need to compress videos to make it easier to work with. So to do that, we can use the compressor tool. Just click or drag the files here. I have these videos that I want them to compress at once. On the left side, it lists the current properties of this file, and on the right side it will show how much it's going to compress it. You can adjust the settings for all batch videos at once using the button below. The recommended setting is 70, which we will stick with. If you want to change the settings for individual videos, click here. Here, we have 2 compression models, basic and AI compression. Let's try each one separately. Once it's completed, it will move to the finished section. You can check the quality after basic compression. Let's try the AI compression. Note these settings with basic and we will match this with AI compression. And see the difference in sizes, it's substantial. Let's check the quality. The video quality is also excellent. And here is the video editor, which is essential for content creators. Upload the file here. Click on the trim button and it will show you the trim options. Stop the video where you want to trim it and click on the trim button. Select the extra clip and delete it. Then we have the other settings on the right side of it. You can easily crop the video. Set the aspect ratio. Rotate the video. Adjust the color contrast with settings. Control the speed. Add filters. You can add a watermark in just seconds, using either text or an image according to your choice. For example, I am using text-based watermark. You can play with the settings as well. And here we have the export settings. And click on Export. Let's try the Video Enhancer tool. Select your clip. Choose the AI model. Here we have multiple models. I choose Video Enhancer. Click on Export. It will take little time. And it's done. You can see the difference after applying AI enhancement. You can also try the Watermark Remover tool, which works for both the videos and images. And then we have other amazing tools as well. You can do all of this with UniConverter. And that's it. Thank you for watching.